we're going to create a table. All right, so we have this plant. For each planter box, we get 3 sunflowers out of it. So that's the ratios we're going to be working with: planter box and sunflowers. So first step. No, guys, this isn't in the book. This is in the notes. So you guys could either follow my screen or you could download the notes. All right, so the first step is to label. All right, so we're going to say planter box and sunflowers. Okay, oops, I spelled that wrong. Okay, so right now our first ratio is we have 1 planter box and 3 sunflowers. Okay, you guys kind of did it earlier with the warm-up, but there's this method called waterfall chat. So you put your answer, you type your answer, but you don't press enter until 10 seconds is up so that everyone's can come on at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to put a number, and then I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to come up with the number that should go in the box next to it. But don't press enter until I finish the 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to use my fingers. Okay, so how many sunflowers would there be if you had 3 planter boxes? Don't press enter until the 10 seconds is up. All right, you guys can press enter. Yeah, 9. Okay, let's try the other way around. Uh-oh, I didn't get that many answers. I only got 4 answers. You guys, it's supposed to be a waterfall. It's supposed to be like, psh. Okay, how about if there were, okay, thank you, Natalie. Thank you, Jocelyn. Thank you, Francesca. Thank you, Sammy. So we got some trickling. Maybe more ours is more like a rain than a waterfall. Okay, what about if there were, we're going to do the other way around. What if there were 30 sunflowers? How many planter boxes would there be? Give you guys 10 seconds to type your answer in. All right, type your answers, guys. Okay, see some 10s. Ronnie, you got 27. See a lot of 10s. I see a lot of 10s. So, Brianna, how did you get 27? Like, what were the steps that you took? Oh, okay. You were thinking 3 times 9. So remember, you're trying to think of what do we multiply the first number by to get the second number? Or if you do the reverse, you divide. So you say, what do I divide by to get this number? So yeah, there's 30 sunflowers. We only have 3 sunflowers in 1 planter box. So if there's 30 sunflowers, then yeah, there's going to be 10 planter boxes. Okay. Okay, guys, let's do another one with the planter box. What if there were 6 planter boxes? How many sunflowers would there be? I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds. All right, go ahead and press enter. All right, there would be 18. Okay, so yeah, Brianna, I think you're looking at the relationship between the numbers. Oh, or maybe you were just close. So you have 5, but it was 6. It's okay though. It's okay. Don't worry about it. This is all part of learning. It's not about getting the answer right. It's about trying your best. Okay, last one. What if there were 15 sunflowers? So we're going backwards. If there's 15 sunflowers, how many planter boxes do we have? Yeah, it's 10 seconds. All right, type your answers or press enter. All right, there we go. Now that one looks like a waterfall. Yeah, there will be 5. So you guys, did you notice a relationship? Well, you guys had to have to get these answers correct. What's the relationship between the amount of planter boxes and the amount of sunflowers? Multiplying by 3. All right, all of these are multiplying by 3. So 1 times 3 makes 3. 3 times 3 makes 9. 10 times 3 makes 30. So yeah, guys, I have these sentence starters here. Can you guys write a sentence that relates, that shows the relationship between them? So write it out in a sentence and go ahead and type that in the chat. You can say it in your own words, or you can use one of these sentence starters. Oh, and for this one, you guys can press enter at any time. All right, thank you, Jason. Okay, thank you, Natalie. And Marietta, I see you have one in your own words. The amount of sunflowers is always multiplied by 3 in order to get the amount of planter boxes. Therefore, there are 3 sunflowers for each planter box. Nice sentence. I really like that. Thank you, Francesca. The relationship to sunflowers is 3 times the amount of each planter box. Thank you, Brianna. So yeah, these ratios, it's all about relationships. It's all about just figuring out what's the relationship between the amount of one thing and the amount of something else.